add a property in Google Search Console, or you can simply call it the Google Webmaster. So there are two ways you can add property in Google Search Console. First, you will need a Google account for that thing, and just navigate to Google Search Console. Now next you will go to this account and you will see a Google Search Console window. Now you can just simply click on the Start Now button, and it will ask you from which email ID you want to access your account. Simply you can select your account, any account from the ID panel box. Okay. Now how to add a property into a Google Search Console? To add a property, first you have to go to the list of the properties and then just click on the add property button. Now you can add whatever property you want to add in here. So there are two ways to add property here. First thing is you can choose the domain name. Okay, and remember that Google considers your property on the different basis. Like if you are simply giving you here a domain test.com, then Google will create a property for this domain. Okay, and then it will cover up all the URLs, including the triple W, non W, HTTP, HTTPS, all the things. Okay, and it will require the DNS verification like they have said here. Okay, and there is a second method where you can specify a special URL that you want to add as your property. Okay, you have to select your domain here. You have to enter the URL of your website here. Okay, then just simply click to the continue. Now for the verification process, you have to verify this property into the Google Search Console to view all the stats for this property. So there are a lot of methods that you can do to verify your account. The first method is the HTML file verification. For that you have to download this file and you have to put this file in your website root directory. Okay, once it is added to a root directory, now then click on the verify button and your Google Search Console is verified. If method is not suitable for you, then you go for other methods like the HTML tag method. Now in this method you have to copy this HTML meta tag and click on the verify button. Now next thing, and just simply add this tag to a head tag and just simply click on the verify button and your property will be verified. Okay, next way is through the Google Analytics. If you had already created a property in Google Analytics for your website, then you simply can verify from your Google Analytics account. Next is from the Google Tag Manager. Okay, this is the another way to verify your Google website ownership in Google Search Console through the Google Tag Manager. You have to add your Google Tag Manager ID and you can verify the same. And the next method is the DNS provided method. Well, if you have access to your DNS records for the website, then you can simply add a text record in your website with the value specified here and just click on the verify. Okay, once you click on the verify, okay, it will check. So I have, so I do not own the I do not have the verification ownership for that website. That's why I just failed the ownership verification. Okay, if you have the ownership of the website and you have used any of the methods and then click on verify, then your website will be verified. Okay, I'm simply removing this property because I do not own this on this website. Okay, thank you guys.